Hi, I'm the Boss Fireworks, with me, Boss Fireworks. So I'm doing something a bit unusual that I've never done before. I'm going to give it a try. So without further ado, let's have a walk around Dynamite Fireworks. So big shout out to the Dynamite team. Let's get right into it. So as you can see, we've got straight onto the rocket wall. So the biggest rockets in here are the neutron stars. Then we've got the Thunders, Trident, which is a triple bang rocket, Atom Bomb, Mediscues, Solar, which is a 1.3G products. So are the Trident and Atom Bombs and the neutron stars. Jupiter, Starlords, Megahawks are 1.3G. Fireballs are 1.3G. You've got some Galactics, Air Raider box, Pulse Star, which is a 3-inch ball head, Stellars, Luna, and Skybolt. They're all of the rockets within this shop. Next we have a Barrage pack, which is Ballistic Arsenal, which is absolutely cracking. I had one last year. Look at the artwork on that, lads and lassies, sorry. We've got the Magnitude, which is new for this year. This is a 1.3G 1.3G crate. It's absolutely massive. It's got Hot 8s in, it's got Megahawks, Solars, Megaton Bombs, Destroyer, and some other assortments of barrages. Next we've got the Nitro crate. Is one what I've unboxed at home personally. Is absolutely amazing. Let's start with the family boxes. We've got Air Assault, Festival, Silver, Gold, Platinum. Up here we have the Zap, Wham, Boom, and Kapow. Next we've got the Zodiac Party Bag, which is a 1.4G family pack. Then underneath we've got new for this year, a 1.3G party pack, which has 2 Hot 8s in, 3 Megatons and solar rockets. You can't go wrong for that pricing. Around here we've got TNT selection and colourful. Now that's it for the family packs slash barrage packs. Next we've got a compound cake coming in with Bunker Buster 2, Radioactive Storm, which is a 1.3G cake, Destroyer 1.3G again, Vendetta is a compound cake, Mission on Mars, Nemesis, Oblivion, Imperial. Down here we have a Game Over. Let's go across to here. Nuclear Sunrise. That is 8 fireworks fused on a board. 129.99. Sorry, I got that wrong. 229.99. Next, we have the ammo, 300 round, 1200 round, 64. Next, we've got the 16 shot, Demon 25, 36 shot, Rascal, Sky Rush, Shadow Storm, Meteor Shower, Giant 16, Giant 25, Giant 35, Giant 50, Phantom. Let's move on to Roman candles. We've got Firestorm, Hot 8, Earthquakes, Colour Bombs, 5 shot, Fireball, and Star Shooter, and Megaton Bombs. Also, if you go onto their Facebook, it's competition time for these. These are giving away this to one lucky winner. If you go onto their Facebook, Dynamite Fireworks, follow the description It'll give you everything that you need to do. Competition, you can win a game over and a magnitude crate. Also, if you use the Boss Firework 5 in this shop, when you're spending over £20, you will get 5% off of every firework that you spend. I've been the Boss Fireworks. Thank you. Stay safe. Honestly, COVID's not dying. We've got masks on. Let's just play our part. Thank you. I've been the Boss Fireworks. Peace.